Hi and welcome to this morning class. We're out here by a beautiful mountain lake and today we're going to work on really waking up the body through the spine. So we'll come to stand, hip width apart with your feet and really press down all 10 toes. You can shift the weight forward, shift the weight back, and we're landing somewhere in the middle. Start to grow tall, lifting your kneecaps up, bracing through the quads. You can tuck your tailbone, stand tall through the chest, and reach down through the fingers. And in doing that, feel the shoulders draw down away from your ears. And take a few breaths here. You can have the eyes open or closed. And start to feel your breath. So we'll let our breath guide our movements today. We'll be working in all 6 directions of the spine, so flexion, extension, and lateral extension to either side, so side bends, and also twisting side to side. So when you're ready, hands reach overhead, inhale. Exhale, hold onto your elbows. Inhale, stand tall. Exhale, little back bend. Inhale, back to center. Side bend over to the right. Inhale, stand down through both feet. Exhale, deep, a little bit deeper. Inhale, back to center. Side bend to the left. Inhale, press down. Exhale, fold a little deeper. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, allow your body to fold forward, holding onto your elbows. From here, we'll sway side to side. And then your next inhale will roll all the way back up the stand. Reach your hands overhead this time. Inhale, reach tall. Exhale, side bend to the right. Inhale here. Bend a little bit deeper. And then back to center. Inhale, reach tall. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale, reach through your hands. Exhale. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, interlace your fingers, release your first finger. Kali Mudra, bending back. And exhale, bending forward. Inhale, halfway lift, long spine. Exhale, fold. And inhale, roll back up to stand. Hands into heart center. I'll walk to the front of my mat. You're at the front of your mat. We'll go again. Inhale, hands reach overhead. And this time, both hands reaching towards the right. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale to center. Exhale to the left. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, back to center. And this time we'll move into a twist. Right hand behind you, left hand to your right shoulder. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Back to center, reach tall. Exhale, right hand, left shoulder, left hand behind you. Inhale. Exhale, see if we can twist a little bit deeper. Inhale, back to center, both hands reach up. Kali Mudra, interlace your fingers, release your index finger. Inhale, reach tall. Exhale, tip back. Inhale, fold forward. Exhale, release here. Inhale, halfway lift, hands to shins, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold. Inhale, roll all the way up to standing, hands sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to heart. Hands to heart, twisting to the right. Exhale to center. Twist to the left. Exhale to center. Hand to your shoulder, twist. Back to center. Hand to your other shoulder, twist. Back to center. Hands on both shoulders. Inhale, lengthen here. Exhale, allow your hands to release to the floor. Inhale, halfway lift, long spine. Exhale, fold. You can bend one knee at a time here. Let your head be heavy, upper body heavy. And this time we'll plant the hands and step all the way back into a plank and then lower down onto our belly. We can bring our hands wide and inhale, coming up into low cobra, floating down. Inhale, peeling yourself up off the mat. Exhale, allow yourself to ripple down. Inhale, engaging through the quads, the thighs. Exhale, down. Hands are nice and wide here, so we have elbows pointing to the side. Inhale, peel yourself up. Exhale, down. Now placing your hands beside you, pulling up into your cobra. You can look over your right shoulder, look over your left. And then tuck your toes, pulling back, downward facing dog. Walk the feet in a little bit closer. Release your left hand, holding somewhere onto your right leg, pulling yourself under your armpit. Nice twist here for the spine. Back to center, other side, right hand, left leg. Back to center, walk your feet back. So in a full downward facing dog, you can bend one knee at a time. Start walking your hands back towards your feet. Inhale, lengthen through the spine. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep yourself back up to stand. Holding onto your elbows one last time. We'll do one more set of bends. Inhale, stand tall. Exhale to the right. Inhale, back to center. Tall through the spine. Exhale to the left. Inhale, reach both hands to the sky. Take your hand to your right shoulder, reaching back behind you. Really draw your right hip to the front of the mat. Inhale, back to center. And then right hand, left shoulder, left hand behind you, left hip forward. Back to center. Interlace your fingers, Kali Mudra, bending back, bracing through your core, pushing your hips forward. And fold forward. Start to walk ourselves back out into a plank. And then lower ourselves all the way down to the mat. One more time, peeling up into cobra. And pushing back into child's pose, release your forehead to the mat. And we'll come up to sit, knees together, sitting back on your shins. Right hand and your left hand sit up tall. You can roll your shoulders back and down. And take a few breaths, imagining the breath moving up the left side of the body, up over the crown of the head, and then exhaling down the right side of the body, all the way down to your tailbone. And inhaling up through the left. Exhaling over the head, over the shoulders, down the right torso. Inhale left. Exhale down, right ear, right side of the face, right side of body. 2 more breaths like this. Very nice. Bringing your palms together. You can start to rub your palms, generating some heat. And then we'll gently place them over your eyelids. Start to blink open your eyes, coming back to whatever space you're in. Hands to your heart. You can bow down towards yourself. Namaste. Thanks for joining me out here on the mat this morning. It's a beautiful day here, and I hope you're feeling a bit more awake in your back, a little more ready for the day ahead. If you enjoyed today's class and you have any suggestions about the classes, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you again another time soon.